Klarna's spending limit, or purchase power, is dynamic and not fixed like a credit card. It's assessed per transaction based on your payment history, credit profile, and usage. Limits start low, for example $500, and can reach $2,000+ over time, varying by store and payment option, like pay in 4 or financing. No manual requests are accepted. Increases happen automatically as Klarna evaluates your reliability. In 2025, focus on responsible habits to boost it. Pay on time. Always settle installments promptly. Late payments, which can cause additional fees up to $7, tank your power. Use app reminders. Aim for early payments to build trust. Clear outstanding balances. Pay off overdue or failed orders immediately via the app. Payments tab. This resets eligibility instantly. Use Klarna regularly. Make small, frequent purchases and pay them off. Improve credit profile. Enhance your overall score via timely bills, low utilization. And verify income in the app. Profile. Update details. Higher income correlates with bigger limits. Test limits. Attempt a purchase over your current power. The app shows approval potential. If denied, wait 1 to 3 months after improvements. Tips. Monitor via app, home, purchase power. Avoid maxing out. Keep utilization under 30%. For financing, soft pulls help. Contact support for disputes, not requests.